Okay, they should like be super
So that's a Fahrenheit or degree
Well, it's
Celsius?
like
Fahrenheit.
show up.
So not much heated up, right?
We haven't done it yet.
Oh, okay.
Finish.
I see.
Okay, so
Okay. So do you want to record like the highest it was at? So
Yeah.
It's only so 123.
Yeah.
I'm getting older. It's changing too much. 53.2.
for 2.
50, yeah.
Oh, I suggest when you measure depth, the center is better because if you measure depth on here, then on the side the depth is never changed, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Here we go.
That's like such an interesting way that melts. Like it melts at the bottom and then like the sides.
It's almost halfway. Yeah.
I see it.
Oh yeah, the bottom's melting.
Okay, how tall is our block?
I don't know. But should we just let it go?
Yeah, just do the next like 5 seconds.
6 exactly.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like that's consistency right there.
How long have you been doing it for?
This is 60 seconds.
Oh wow. Yep.
Wait, how long did you
But we stopped it in the middle.
48.
It's at 38 C. Yeah, okay. Can we use the pen, please?
Honestly, I think it does smell good.
Can we use the
Oh, sorry. Grilled cheese. Oh, sorry.
1 centimeter?
Reminds
Talking
me,
about?
yeah, it reminds me of like
How do I
being a
change the
child and
unit?
eating like gross cheese.
How do I change the unit? Oh my gosh. Oh no. It was at 50 something else. It was at yeah, what the heck is this? Wait, what the heck? Okay, 52.2 F.
Okay.
2 centimeters. How do I measure my
If you can change it yourself.
Oh, how'd you do that?
On the back.
Oh, where?
Do we need different heights?
No, we just did the center of the potato first, and then after we're gonna do our measurements.
Alright, it's like 4.0.
12.0 C.
Thanks. 4.0.
Are we doing 2 minutes, Julia?
Yeah. Is that okay?
Proctor. Every midterm. Every time he comes, he's like, you guys notice something different? It's me.
Yeah, how do you turn this on?
I think you just hold that thing. Can I take this? Is it on C?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm scared. Yeah, you can do this.
Let's say
Start with a
68.
just kind of perforate it around.
Okay.
Oh, for her. Or cheese. Potato and cheese.
Here, do you want to hold this?
Okay.
Just like drawing population.
1 centimeter is 36.
Sometimes they're not that expensive. 3 bucks a thing. Huh?
2 is
600. I remember freshman year, I used like all my
23.7.
They're so good though.